We are there every day and we see the difference, we see the changes, we see how things go up and down.
There's a misconception where fishermen are seen as takers. Majority of us have in mind that we have to fish for tomorrow.
I was always arguing with the federal fisheries management process because I didn't understand it.
In MREP, you get some heavy training on the process. Where does your data go? How is your data used? How do we actually create an annual catch limit?
MREP is the tool that is involving fishermen with the government side, the scientific side, everything together.
It was just eye-opening. You hear about how a lot of regulations are being put in, but it's nice to be able to get a better understanding of how we get to where we are in the decision-making process.
I will say to the fishing industry that is out there, this is not only about making money. This is about being involved in protecting our resource and know how decision-making is.
And that's the importance of MREP. It has given encouragement. And that's the key in this training. We support each other.
We have people here that is going to want to get involved and do more for their fishery. And I will encourage each and every fisherman that can apply to be a participant of MREP to do so. It's going to be an experience that you're going to want to do